Hi everybody, this is Liz. If you haven't joined me before, welcome, and if you have, welcome back. Today it's going to be some cooking, some cleaning of course, which I don't think I'm showing you, and I'm going to show my granddaughter my chickens and a little crafting. So today I thought I would do something a little healthy for breakfast and a little not healthy. So I made some date bars and I'll show you that in another video. But I'm going to take a couple of these and chop them up, and then they're going to go in a blender with some other items. I had this delicious smoothie downtown Milwaukee in Public Market, and I can't think, Blue Bus I think was the name of the place. But it's dates and peanut butter, banana. I think there was coconut, oat milk, but I don't have oat milk. I don't remember if there's yogurt, but I'm going to be using yogurt. So I just did a spin on this. It is so delicious. I made a little more than I needed, but then that's what I had for lunch. All right, so this is what I did.
Look at them. It's okay. You say bark, 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 bark.
Rocco.
Bark, 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 bark. The chicken?
It's cold out here.
Let's get some eggs, Ev, and let's go inside.
So today I'm prepping more of the backgrounds, and I'll show you what I mean. What a mess, eh? I gotta work on making my craft room. So I made the 12-inch. This is all laser cut. I'm not gonna touch it because I sprayed it with sealer, gloss sealer. And then I have like 3D dimensional tape under here. I think the next ones I'll make thicker. I mean, it's 3D, but I think more of a dimension would be better. And that's the other one. So I have these here I need to put on the backgrounds, and I have the bows made. And then this one I'm gonna paint brown to make it look more natural. And Maggie's barking at the neighbor dog. Crazy. So I have those 3 dry, and then I'm gonna flip them over and do the back side. And I'll continue with these. These will be available for purchase on June 24th at the Watertown Artisan Market. Also at the Brown Street Emporium. Let me go around to the other side. You may contact me, email me, or go to my daughter's Etsy store and leave me a message if you are interested in any. That one's really cool. Very 3D. Very cool. And so is this. This is laser cut. Okay. And I like this one too. It's very colorful. And this one. All right, so I'm going to continue with this. So if you're interested in any of these, let me know. They're $25. That does not include shipping, so I'd have to figure out shipping to you. All right, keep working. So I went and found the spiral pasta. This looks like wheat and regular, flour pasta. I already boiled this up. It's ready to go. Now, cucumber, not the greatest, but it's what happens when you go to Walmart. Pick it out. Actually, I'm kind of disappointed. So let's take off the yucky part. And that can go to the chickens. That's for the chickens. All right. Now you don't have to peel these, but I think I will. I've always peeled them that way, but I've seen people do this, which it finally dawned on me why there's a blade on both sides. I figured left hand, right hand, but you could technically just go back and forth. And I can give this to the chickens. They actually just got a cabbage I couldn't use, or I didn't use. I wanted to, and then, you know how your plans change all the time, and didn't get to use it. So it got kind of not perfect, so I gave it to them. All right. Let's see if it tastes good. Looks good. Yep. Delicious. Didn't use quite the right knife, but that's okay. And I don't have a big enough cutting board at the moment, but that's okay. red onion. Pepper. Well, that's it for that salad. And then we just put some in a bowl and that was our dinner. So something light, something easy, and really delicious. Okay, thank you for joining me, everybody. And I hope to see you next time. The link to my daughter's Etsy page is in the description. And if you're interested in the recipe, which I think I have, I just kind of threw all this together, but I think I actually had a recipe, just let me know. All right, everybody, have a great day.